Welcome to 5709 Mistletoe Court. Today we have the privilege of sharing with you one of the most magical homes ever to come available in Oklahoma City. Located in Gaillardia, one of the city's premier luxury communities. Here you will enjoy round-the-clock security, gated entrances, sports courts, and an 18-hole link-style golf course that offers more than 250 acres of world-class golf. I'm David Oliver with Keller Williams Elite and the Wyatt Poindexter Group. I would like to introduce you to Jennifer Oliver, who will now guide you through this spectacular home.
Thank you, David. This 6,324 square foot home is not only architecturally stunning, but a masterpiece in and of itself. Designed and built in 2001 by Richard Brown as his personal family residence, Mr. Brown is a prominent architect who has received over 15 awards and 3 honor awards from the American Institute of Architects. I am standing in the modern salon, a coveted blend of interior flavor that echoes timeless French architecture. With an antique marble fireplace from France, the room exudes modern sophistication with well thought out contemporary art lighting, allowing a new owner to showcase their own personal style. The mood changes dramatically as we step into this 2-story wood-paneled bookcase-filled drawing room. Light sweeps into the room from the round windows, and a bar is elegantly and discreetly placed, allowing this room to serve many purposes while retaining the elegance of true luxury living. Again, an antique fireplace anchors the room with every detail thoroughly and lovingly thought out. Drawing inspiration from the working kitchen of the Vanderbilt Estate, this beautiful stainless steel kitchen is a chef's dream. Neither beauty or function was sacrificed, and one will truly feel the joy of French cooking in this space. And now, as someone who loves to entertain, the piece de resistance of the home, the large butler's pantry, with beautiful china and silver display cabinets, is located just off the large, sun-drenched dining room, a perfect place for gathering and lavish meals. The most glamorous and intimate rooms take us to the primary suite, with its solid wood paneling, hidden closet doors, and antique fireplace. This is like stepping into a Parisian dream. Upstairs are 3 large bedrooms, beautifully appointed with marble ensuite bathrooms and a paneled library with custom bookcases that overlook the 2-story lounge, perfect for a peaceful retreat. Also upstairs is a large theater room with silk walls, large built-in couches, and a work area that can double as a study. Now we will take you outside to show you the rest of this magical property.
The elegance continues outside with a perfectly proportioned pool and pool house, complete with a bathroom and a shower. Entertaining and relaxing is effortless at this grand manor. Thank you for touring this special property with us today and seeing just a few of the magnificent details this home has to offer. Please contact us to schedule a private showing.